I'm making my peanut butter jelly sandwich, and now I'm putting my jelly on the bread. Now, I'm going to put the peanut butter. Mommy, it's sticky. Spread. Done fixing my peanut butter jelly sandwich. Now I have my lunchbox all packed up. Now I'm getting ready for school. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you always try to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be. Bye-bye.